Bitcoin keeps crashing, keeps dumping. I told you yesterday an exact level that we must hold. And if we hold this level, we will go up again. I gave you all the targets, but we did not hold it. I just had breakfast. I'm here in an amazing coffee that I found. Look at this, but look also at this car here. I had just my breakfast here, this nice sofa, and can see all this nice luxury cars. You can only find this in Dubai. But now, there is a take. There is a catch. I think that this dump could be caused by the US government. Yes, you hear it right, the US government caused this dump. And I think it could be over right now. It could be over, and I tell you exactly why. I showed you the exact chart that makes me believe that it's over and that we will go up from here. Let me show you this. I give you the exact levels, and I tell you where you could open a trade and where you could take profit, where you could put your stop loss. So stay until the end. First of all, let me start with this, because this is most important here, and from this you can later see, okay, take the conclusion. Breaking: US government just sold 6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin after getting clearance, and the market didn't even flinch. I don't know if the market didn't even flinch. Okay, is this a sign of BTC growing strange or just calm before the storm? So you can see here, this is the wallet of the US government. And they had 6.5 billion in Bitcoin. How much do they have now? Zero. You see the big red candle. They have never ever sold so much Bitcoin, and now never ever. These are the Bitcoins from the Silk Road. And whenever they confiscated like Bitcoins, they put it into this wallet, and now they sold it. If you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me. You get everyday valuable insights, trading signals, and information that's very, very, very time sensitive. Okay, Ronnie Talks Crypto, follow me. You can see here now that they don't have any more Bitcoin, and I understood that they cannot sell any more. They have more assets, they have more other crypto coins, but the government is not allowed to sell them. The Senate, as I understood, only approved the selling of the Bitcoin. Why they are doing this? Yeah, because they want to hand over to Trump empty pocket. And you see here how evil they are. They don't want Donald Trump to get access to 6.5 billion so he can improve all the mistakes that they did, that he can pay all the bills that they in the last years generated. So this is really evil. This is really evil. They take the money and now they send it to Ukraine so they can buy more weapons, and they steal the money. They have so many luxury houses, luxury cars, yachts. They found cash in the house of governmental officials. So that's really a bad situation, and many people lost now money because of this, because normally it as I told you yesterday, I have not seen this coming. I didn't know. There was no sign for this crash. There was no sign. Now you know. The evil Democrats, the evil government in the last days, imagine, last days, they are doing this to just leave Donald Trump administration with empty hands, empty pockets, so they cannot start their amazing changes that they're proposing. But anyway, now the good thing is it's over. They don't have any more Bitcoins. So now let me show you what I think here, what's going on. We are in the 4-hourly chart. I will show you what I think is now going on. You see here, I told you yesterday that this green box is for me the line in the sand. It's the line in the sand. We must hold this in order to go up again. So now, if we now go to the daily chart, you can see here that we had here a break, okay? And what is the good thing? The good thing is the daily candle. The daily candle closed only slightly below this, closed on 92,378. okay, 92,378. So now, I think that if we recover today, we have still a chance to go up again, because let's be honest, look here, you can see it on the daily chart on the 30th of December. We had a similar situation. We went down here, but then on the 31st, we had a pump. So you can see here that we did hold yesterday the level. Okay, even we closed here in this level, so that's very bullish. It went down and went up again. It went up, it closed at 95, imagine, 95 it closed. Oh yeah, sorry. It was not 92, it was 95. I told you, if you remember, we have to hold 95,200, 95,300. Okay, we closed at 95. You can see it here, 95,200. Okay, there where you see the C, the close, 95.22. Okay, so now today it's not a trading day. The Wall Street is closed because Jimmy Carter died. Rest in peace. An ex-president of the United States, and now we have to fight. The bulls have to step in, and the bulls have to push this above. If they are not able to do it, at least they need to leave something like a wick like this here. You can see here also it went down, left a wick, and then we had the retrace, okay? And we went up again. And this is what I think that here can be happen. So there are many people that say, no, the bull market's over. I'm 100% sure it's not over. There are many people that say, oh no, this is local top. We will see from now much more lower prices, like 67. And I mean, it can be, because if you see here, we went up, okay, we had a retrace, and then we managed. This is more or less, if you, let's put the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so if you see this here, oh no, it's the way around. If you see this here, okay, we go from the top to the bottom, okay? And then we get back exactly to the golden pocket, man. So this is possible, that there was a local top. We went down, we had a dead can bounce. We went to this exactly to the golden pocket. You can see here. Exactly to the golden pocket, and now we are seeing more downside. We have to see this, we have to check this, we have to be every single day now here. I think that this was caused just inorganically by the US government, and that we can now see higher prices again. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Remember, I'm telling you this Bitcoin, or giving you this Bitcoin analysis. Why? Because you have a basic understanding where's the market going to. I don't expect you to make money from this Bitcoin moves, okay? Because it's very, very, very difficult to predict this Bitcoin moves. So we can assume, we can have some basic idea, but it's very, very difficult with a high certainty to predict them. But the money is made in my trading group. So here in the links, you have $30,000 bonus from Bybit, you have a $500 free trade, you have Blowfin. If you cannot work with Bybit because they're not offering service in your country, use Blowfin. Very good exchange, very solid, and no KYC. And the third link, that's the most important, that's my trading group. You can get free trading signals. This is a premium group. The people paid to be inside this group. I open it because now I know there are many people that lost money, they don't have money. I open it and you don't have to pay a single cent. Don't tell anybody. Go into the group, invite your friends. It's for limited time. I will close this group very, very soon. And now in the next hours, it will be decided. Today is a bad day because the traders are not on their desk. So it's also even a good day for market manipulation because there's not much liquidity in the market. So stay safe. Better maybe today it's not a good day for trading. Let's see today what's going to happen, and tomorrow we will start over again. Yeah, stay safe. Take very much care of your crypto. Thank you for watching this video, and maybe you will be very soon in a nice place like this. I love this coffee. I have not seen this. I've just found it. So I was doing exercise, and see you tomorrow. Bye.